traffic's so empty today. It's fucking amazing down here. Because I kind of rushed through it all at the start, I've kind of missed it all here, which is great. But yeah, guys, how's it going? As you can hear, and because of all the jump cuts, I'm sick again, and I've got a fucking horrible cough. I tried to do a video this morning, but I felt so shit this morning. But today, after 2 coffees and 8 hours of work, I feel fucking great. It's just what the doctor ordered. A day's work, yeah. Fuck no. Where's this giveaway I hear you's asking? Still has his indicator on. Say thanks just in case you were. Make sure he wasn't gonna hit me. But yeah, so I've been sick the past week, so I haven't been on the bike, I haven't been bothered. Don't let today fool you, the weather's been shit. The weather's been pissy rain and like heavy floods rain. Yesterday and today is just nice. Today is actually 25. It's about right, I think it's 24, 25 right now. But yeah, yesterday and today is just so nice weather-wise. Doggies! So I had to go out on the bike, even though I kind of wish I didn't. But yeah, where's the giveaway? Where's the fucking giveaway? Well, patience, you bastards, right? So I've been over 1,000 now for 2 weeks, which has been fucking amazing. And last time I checked, I'm at, what am I at? 1,012. So for me, I'm happy with that. I'd be happy with 1,001, but the fact I'm getting 1,012 is really cool. I also have to thank Lucky Luke. He kind of shouted me out on his channel, and that gave me a few subs, kind of came from him. So big thanks to him, because we did the track day together. Fucking so much fun. Luke done amazing. I can't remember if I done a video already with this. I could have thrown it away. I fucking having a okay. Don't nod at me then. Jeez, God, I don't actually know. I fucking this week's been just mental. But yeah, we had the track day, which is amazing, and again, Luke done so good for his first time out on Mondello on his road bike. Nothing fucking scary. Anyone who has been on the track on the road bike knows how fucking scary it is. Every corner you're like, oh fuck, if I fall off now, that's my road bike fucked, you know. Don't care who you are, unless obviously it's an absolute junker and you don't care. But when it's your main transport as well, like I know Luke has the car, but you know, this is still one of his main transports, and it's also new, so that'll be also stupidly scary. And if you're not, I'm mixing that with not being too comfortable in the turns, well, you know, it's all kind of just, it's a recipe really for not crashing, but being afraid. And when you be afraid and you let it get at you, that's when you crash. But Luke done very fucking well, and he done what most people don't actually do. For anyone that it's their first time on the track, I always recommend you do a few laps. Get kind of used to the feel of the bike, how your bike grips and brakes, and also then just the track itself. What? Fucking Jesus, I'm gonna say in general, and oh god, it's bad. It's a bad head cold to have. Just my brain. I have a brain cold, that's what it is, not even a head cold. Still a red light misses. But anyway, it's not that matters anyway. I have a brain cold. Can't think of fucking anything. But yeah, what most people don't do on the track when it's their very first time is do a few laps and pull in. Go back into the pit. You know, there's no point being out if you're a little bit afraid. Go out, get your adrenaline rush, come back in, take a breather for a few minutes, and relax. Dan, that's exactly what Luke done, and it's what I done when I first started. It's just the fucking best way, because you go out with say you kind of make one little mistake and you might come into the corner a bit faster than you want to, you might feel like you're going to come off. Honestly, pull in. Is this truck just going to fucking move in or what? You know, just pull in and compose yourself basically, because if you don't, that's how accidents happen. And again, Luke done that, and he I think he enjoyed himself, apart from the rain at the start. It was very fucking slippy. But speaking of track days as well, I have another one booked for 3rd of August, so it's fairly soon. Me, David, and I think a few of you probably know what would Grant do. He's the guy who bought my bike and destroyed my bike. You're getting thrown under the fucking bus now, Grant. Destroying my bleeding bike. But yeah, he bought my old bike off me. So it'd be nice to see that on track. He probably it won't give me a go, but I want to go. I've never got the chance to bring it on track. I want to fucking go with it. Just want to be faster than him on his own bike. That's embarrassing. Like, I love the track now. I really fucking love the track. I just can't. I can't get a track bike. I don't have room. I just don't have the room or the place to keep a track bike. I just put my hand in the camera. Sorry. I also don't have a way of getting it to the track because me and Mrs. Dragon, our car doesn't have a tow bar, and then it's the cost and effort of getting the tow bar put on and wired up, and then buying a trailer, and fuck that. But yeah, I do have a serious track bug. I fucking love it, and I can't wait to go out with it again and do it and enjoy myself. So I'm up in intermediate class now, which is great. A little bit faster pace for me, which is nice. Still a few fuckers on it. If you haven't watched my latest on board, I recommend you do, because that's in the intermediate class, and you can see there's a lot of people that are just kind of dangerously slow, taking their time. I don't know what they're doing in intermediates, because they may think they're on a fast bike, but they're not fucking fast. Like, I think the very first bike overtake is a Gixxer, I think. I don't know if it's a 600 or 1000, but it's still a fucking Gixxer, and me and it was 74 horsepower bike, naked bike, overtakes in mid-corner. It's embarrassing. So yeah, it's just a little bit more fun in intermediates for me. I actually just realised I never mentioned, why I've been gone for like the week. I did go, oh, where's that? Fuck, I was gonna go on and explain about the whole what happened with the giveaway, but basically what's happened so far is, one, I've been really sick. I haven't been arsed doing anything, so I will do it soon. But unfortunately, Mrs. Dragon's grandmother passed away very suddenly on Saturday, and that's when I was actually going to do the giveaway. Oh well, this fucking nature's after taking me this way. I suppose I'll shoot up the motorway, be faster. No, I'm gonna go the other one. Fuck that. But yeah, unfortunately her grandmother passed away, so we've kind of dealing with that shit for the past week. So as you can imagine, I've just been spending as much time with her as possible and the family. So that's another reason why. So if you just want, wish Mrs. Dragon and a pot. Wait, wish? No. Let Mrs. Dragon know you're thinking of her. It was a shit time. She was close with her grandmother, so it's shite. But unfortunately, it's his life. But yeah, guys, that's the updates. And I don't know, is this a pretty similar video to the one I literally just put up? Except I don't have wheelies. I'm also getting, as you know, I'm actually getting very good at my wheelies now. I done one this morning, and I'm able to run it out through second gear. And then I changed up in the third, and the bike just fell. So I was really upset about that. But hey, look, we're learning. We're fucking learning. But look, guys, I'm going to end the video here. The giveaway will be soon, so just hold on tight for that. I'll do a video explaining what's happening with the giveaway as soon as I'm doing it, and it'll probably be a live video. So it'll probably be a poll with that to kind of see when most people would like to do it. But yeah, guys, I got the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to y'all next video. That sounded very radio presenter. And tonight on the news.